Hi, I'm Paul Salazar. Welcome to 4137 McConnell Boulevard in the prime West End section of Culver City. This is a perfect opportunity for an end user looking to add equity with an easy remodel, an investor who wants to do a quick fix and flip with comps up to 1.6, or a luxury developer looking to build a home up to 3,500 square feet with comps up to $2.7 million. This home features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 1,212 square feet, and sits on a sizable 4,956 square foot lot. It's also in close proximity to dining and coffee shops just off of Washington Boulevard. Come check out this great opportunity to live in the West Side.